Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Developers. In this video, we will learn how to rename the repository. In the last video, we have learned how to create a new repository on GitHub. Now let's learn how to rename the repository. So let's get started. So open your browser and go to github.com. So and you need to log in. So I have already logged in, so I can see my all the repositories. So this is the repository that we have created in our last video. So we have spelled it wrongly, so let's go and rename our repository. So we have selected the repository to rename. Now go to setting. Now correct our repository name tutorial. So we have wrongly spelled, so we are now created the correct spelling. So we will click on rename. Now our repository is renamed, but now the readme file still have the same name, so we will change it now. So we are using the same name as the repository name. So readme file will help us to understand what our repository is. So let's commit those changes. Now let's check our repository name is changed and our name in the readme file is also changed. So this is how you can rename the repository. Thank you.